If you're a longtime Windows user, you're familiar with previous versions of Microsoft Windows, you may have experienced something known as PC rot. And that's where over time, as you continue to install various types of software and download things from the internet, work on files, things seem to get bogged down. Your system slows right down. It's chugging away, working hard to do the simplest of tasks. Well, in those cases, in the old days, you would probably uninstall Windows and reinstall to start over. You'd have a backup of all your files, get those back onto your computer. A big hassle, but at least your computer would be running more efficiently in the end. There are a couple options here in Windows 8.1 that allow you to get the same results without all that work. Let's take a look now from our PC settings. Windows I on the keyboard brings up our settings pane, and we'll click Change PC Settings. Next, we'll go to Update and Recovery. We've been here for File History and Windows Update, but when we go to Recovery, you're going to see some options, namely the first two. Number one is refresh your PC without affecting your files. So if the PC is running slowly, sluggish, we can refresh it without losing all of our personal files, photos, music, and videos, for example. Clicking Get Started here will simulate a reinstallation of Windows without actually doing it. So you may see some nice results at the end, and you won't have to worry about all of your files, backing them up and restoring them. If that doesn't work for you, the next option is to remove everything and reinstall Windows, which means you'll be able to start over completely. And yes, you'll need to back up your files and restore them in the end, but you can do it all from here. It's not a manual task where you actually go and uninstall Windows and grab your DVD and reinstall, etc. It can be done directly from the Get Started button right here. Now, another option that you don't see here if things are not working properly is to simply insert your installation DVD if you have one for Windows, and it will recognize that it's already been installed and give you the option to refresh, just like we see here at the top of this screen. Now, everything's running perfectly for me. I don't know about you. I don't need to run either of these at this point, so I'm going to press the Windows key on my keyboard to return. If you do find your PC's running sluggishly, try refreshing first, and then if that doesn't work, you could go to the reinstall option. But those are options there that will make it a lot easier than it used to be to get back up and running with an efficient computer using Windows.